In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Lanyard Mockup in Canva. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can design a clean print-ready lanyard strip in just a few minutes. First, open Canva and choose Create a Design, then select Custom Size. Because lanyards are long and narrow, we'll set dimensions for a single strip. Standard lanyards are typically 810 mm by 25 mm, which is the same as 90 cm by 2 cm. Before you type the numbers, switch the units from pixels to millimeters or centimeters, so your sizing is accurate. Once you create the canvas, you'll see a very long thin page. It may look tiny on your screen. Zoom in and out as needed so you can place elements precisely. If you already know your printer's exact spec, match it here. Otherwise, this standard size is a reliable starting point. Now let's add your design elements. Head to the Elements tab to bring in patterns, shapes, or subtle textures, and set your background to your brand color. Upload your logo and place it near one end of the strip. Then duplicate it to repeat along the length. This repetition simulates how a real lanyard prints continuously around the neck. Keep your logos consistent in size and spacing so the design feels intentional. Simple icons, stripes, or dotted separators can help break up space and guide the eye without cluttering the strip. If you are using images, make sure they're high resolution so they stay crisp at print size. As you lay things out, keep contrast in mind. Light logos on a dark band or dark logos on a light band are the most legible. Next, turn on safety margins. Go to File, then View Settings and choose Show Margins. These lines help you keep all important elements, like logos and text, away from the edges. Where trimming and stitching can occur, pull any critical content inside those guides so nothing gets cut off or looks cramped. Think of the margins as your safe zone for clean, professional results. When you are happy with the layout, it's time to export for print. Click Share. Choose Download and select PDF Print. This format gives you the highest resolution that most printing shops expect. Double-check your page looks correct in the PDF preview, and keep a copy of your color values handy in case your printer needs them. That's it. Thanks for watching.